Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to block an email address from Gmail. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. You can block any email address in two ways. I am going to show you the first way. Open the email. I am going to block this email. Now you will find an three dot icon on upper right corner. Click on the three dot icon. You will find here filter message like this. Click on it. The address is showing here in from box, and you can filter by size using the size here, but I am not filtering by size. I am filtering with the email address. Now click on create filter. Now what action will be taken? If you click on delete it, it will be automatically deleted, and then click on create filter. Now the another way, you will find an settings icon on upper right corner. Click on settings. Under quick settings, click on see all settings. Click on filters and blocked addresses. Scroll down. You will find an option here, create a new filter. Click on it. Type the email address here and just click on create filter, and the same way I have shown you earlier. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.